Hey everybody, Mike Northcutt here. Going to talk about the presentation of the Photoshop Touch application with the templates for the sign templates. Now, one of the questions we get a lot is, what if somebody wants a roll-up banner display or an X banner? Well, what we can do is we can actually make those now. So in your Photoshop Touch application, this can be on your Android or your iPad. Today I'm using my iPad. We're going to scroll down here and we're going to click on our templates. Now when we click on our templates, you're going to see we have a roll-up banner and we have an X banner right there. We can pick either one of these and it's going to work the exact same way. Let's go ahead and pick an X banner because that's really common for car dealerships, banks, things like that. So we have an X banner display right there. You see it. Let's go ahead and put a background on. Let's say somebody wants a decent background. Now there's a couple ways you can get a background. Of course, you can get local photos, or you can take and use your Creative Cloud. In local photos, you can use your camera roll. You can use really about anything you want to have. You can also go into Google if you want to and download images off Google, which we'll talk about copyrights, things like that later. Let's go to our Creative Cloud right now. With a Creative Cloud, I've got a file in here, and this file right here is something very simple that I use. I just bring in fills that I have high-res versions of at the office. So as you see right here, we have all kinds of different fills, all kinds of backgrounds that we can take and enter in. So let's say they want let's say a lighthouse. Let's go ahead and grab our lighthouse right here, and we can drop it on. This is going to download and drop onto our canvas. As we can go in here, you see we can distort this, or we can bring it out, make it look a little more perspective, make it look right. We're going to turn off our magnetic because we want that thing right sitting in the middle. We're going to say yes, that's what I'm looking to do. And we're going to drop this down below this layer, and now we have a lighthouse fill. So we can go in here now, we're going to take and add some copy into this. And this is going to be, I don't know, lighthouse subs or lighthouse whatever. So we can take and put some copy in here. So let's go ahead and get rid of this standard copy and just do lighthouse. You can do really about anything you want to do. You can do one word, two words, hyphenated words, whatever you want to do. You can stagger them. Today we're going to take and do it in one word, and we're actually going to change the copy. We're going to leave it in black. And let's change our font. So let's take and give something a little bit better looking as a font. Let's do that one. That looks pretty cool. We go in, and it's going to change the font for us. It's going to bring it in, and let's go ahead and move this up. Now we're going to take and shrink this down so it fits. So we're going to take and set this right where we want it, pretty close. Hit our checkbox, and now I've got a lighthouse. Very simple to make a banner, X banner or roll-up banner with this. This is going to give your graphic designer somewhere to start. Your salesperson is going to love this new tool. If you have any questions, as always, email me, and I'll be happy to get back with you and tell you how you can use this tool. Have a great one.